I think of the Alp Symphony, from Strauss. It has
very good.
slow start and then on the top of the mountains, and it's a lot of music, a lot of color.
Quite structured pop song, but with a middle section of free improvised music. So.
Something that would be very eclectic, but still well sounding.
At Pastagallia, you start walking, you collect people, you collect themes together, and then you create something new out of that.
Don't Stop Me Now from Queen.
Like a big symphonic medley of all sorts of different styles and contributions.
It would be a pretty crazy mix of a lot of genres.
I would say a big band.